Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel Crypto Daily. So the treasury secret code here today, we are going to provide it here. So as we know that like everything related to any update that any telegram mini app that we use to participate on it, so definitely we will provide a solution on it, or whether it is a secret code or any other like method. So here today, if this is the first time to cross my YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload the video. So the secret code for the day, like for a treasury, here it is. Like as you can see, like it is here is a kitchen. So the kitchen is consist like much things, like much instrument, like it is used like something breaking, and chairs was been down, like too many things that happen in the kitchen. So as you can see, like you can consider this shape that drove in the floor, on the floor of the kitchen. So you have to just click on it so that the code will be like a fire on it. So as you can see, like here is the code of the day. This I love you, like I with emojis of love, which capital letter U. So let's go and import it here in this section, which is quest. So let's click on it. Let's come on appeal as always. So let's enter it, like claim your quest cruel. So obviously I have uncompleted tasks that I need to come and complete it. So this one I need to import it 579 for the code that I need to claim. So I imported the correct code. As you can see, like I love you. So here is the code. So as simple as you can see, like here is the completed code that you need to import it. But obviously, as you can see, like I have uncompleted tasks that I didn't complete it. So let's get back to get the code so that we should import it here. So let's go back together. Let's come for a home. As you can see, this one after party, I need to import the code. So as you can see, I've imported the code 116, and again for this one it is like ION. So let's click on check. As you can see, we have imported the correct code. So it is not as like harder than you think. It's as simple as you can see. Like it is not too hard to get the code, but it is somehow complicated. So here it is. If this is the first time to cross my YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. Thank you.